Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Monday.com to Google Sheets. First of all, we have to go to zapier.com and we want to create our account here. Once we do that, we logged in and we are ready to go. I recommend you zapier.com because it's basically the fastest way how you make an integration. Well, back to the task. We want to go to the top left corner and make a zap. We click there, we wait a bit, and now you can name it. So let's go with Monday to Google Sheets, like this. Now we need to set our first trigger, so our income app. In our case, it's gonna be Monday. Now we have to choose an event from the events that we have here. So new update triggers when a new update is created. We want to press on new update and we want to go to continue. Now we have to choose an account in Monday.com. You can search or you can use already existing one. This is a bit complicated because Monday.com will ask you for API verification, and it took me a bit to find it, and I'm going to show you how. This is my Monday.com account. So you want to go to the bottom left corner where your avatar is, or in my case, my initials. With my name, we press on the left click. We press by the left click, and we want to go to admin. Once you are here, click on the API, which is fifth option from the top, and you have to generate or regenerate the personal API token. You have to copy paste this one into login, into your into Monday account, and your integration will be complete. Now you can test your trigger, or you don't have to at all. Once we do that, we want to move to the second action. It will be our outcome application. In our case, it's Google Sheets. We don't have it here. Oh, we actually have, but you can also press a search engine to find it if it's not present in here. We press Google Sheets, and once again, we have to choose an event. Create spreadsheet raw, create worksheet, copy worksheet. It's completely up to you what you want to use, and go to or search, look up a spreadsheet. So let's go with create spreadsheet. You press continue, and the last step is just assigning to Google Sheets. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.